back, back, backing, back.
As a reply or reaction to something.
I'm busy at the moment, can I call you back? I waved to her and she waved back.
The part of something that is furthest from the front or in the opposite direction to the front.
He wrote her email address down on the back of an envelope. Our seats were right at the back of the theater.
The part of your body from your shoulders to your bottom.
Back injuries or pain. I've got a bad back. He lay on his back, staring at the ceiling.
At or near the back of something.
A back door or garden. The back page or seat. I put it in the back pocket of my jeans.
Anymore. Anymore.
If you do not do something or something does not happen anymore, you have stopped doing it or it does not now happen.
This shirt doesn't fit me anymore, would you like it?
Finally. Finally.
Finally. Finally.
Final, finally.
After a long time or some difficulty.
We finally got home at midnight. After months of looking, he finally found a job. The.
Used before superlatives and other words, such as first or only or numbers showing something's position in a list, which refer to only one thing or person.
That was one of the best films I've ever seen. What's the highest mountain in Europe? I shall never forget the first time we met.
Helicopter. Helicopter.
Helicopter. Helicopter.
An aircraft which flies using long, thin parts on top of it that turn round and round very fast.
The injured were flown to hospital by helicopter. A helicopter pilot.
Electric. Electric.
Electrician, electricity, electric, electrical.
Electric lights, tools, etc. work using electricity.
An electric car or heater.
Glad. Glad.
Glad. Glad. Gladder, gladdest.
Pleased and happy.
I'm glad that you came. I'm so glad to see you. Noun. Noun.
A word that refers to a person, place, thing, event, substance, or quality.
Doctor, tree, party, coal, and beauty are all nouns.
Quarter. Quarter.
Quarter. Quarter.
One of four equal or almost equal parts of something, 1/4.
He cut the orange into quarters. I waited a quarter of an hour for her. Under a quarter of people questioned said that they were happily married.
To study. To study.
study, study, student, study, study.
The work that you do while you are at a college or university.
I'm enjoying my studies a lot more this year.
Sailing, sailing,
Sailing, sailor, sail.
A sport using boats with sails.
A sailing boat. We're going sailing next weekend. Same, same.
Exactly like.
People say I look just the same as my sister. John thinks the same as I do, it's just too expensive. She always had a quick temper, and her mother was the same.
a year, a year,
year, year,
The part of the year, in a school or university, during which courses are taught.
The school or college year. Emma's now in her final or first or second year at Manchester University. Cream, cream.
The thick yellowish-white liquid that is taken from milk.
Strawberries and cream. Do you like cream in your coffee?
A yellowish-white color.
We chose cream for the walls.
Having a yellowish-white color.
A cream shirt.
island, island,
island, island,
A piece of land completely surrounded by water.
A desert island. A Pacific island. They live on the large Japanese island of Hokkaido.